If you hear me, all right. So this is the first stock review, my morning stock review for June 29th, 2023. Going live on YouTube. So I'm looking at a couple of stocks this morning. Banks are in the news right now, are going higher. With the AI bubble going on, AI stocks are at a all-time high, or anything related to computer chipping, computer related, Intel, Nvidia, Microsoft. There's some companies that strictly do AI. One called Applied Sciences, ticker symbol ALPD. What I'm watching right now, and a couple of others, and of course, Google, Amazon. Pretty much every company within the next 10 to 15 years is going to be adding artificial intelligence some kind of way to their business model, how they obtain customers, how they research and get analytics, how they market to their customers, even writing copy for ads. So the big names today: Nvidia, Micron, Netflix, Amazon, Disney, TJ Maxx, and Pfizer. So those are the top movers so far, according to analysts on CNBC. So what I usually do in the morning, I go in and actually look at those stocks. Now on this, me using Facebook Live Studio software, I cannot figure out how to do multiple screens. I apologize for using this morning, but this is the trial run. I appreciate you. Now on my Boss Up with K channel, I got a lot more requests to do more stock information. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to record this and then drop this on the Boss Up with K channel. So follow me over there, Boss Up with K. And also, if you on Boss Up with K, follow me on Kevin Blackman. So those five stocks are what I'm looking at, and I usually look for stocks that have an upward trend. So if you go to a chart, and I cannot show you a chart, I apologize, but just go to CNBC, like Trading View. If you just look at a chart of any stock, and you can kind of go out 6 to 12 months, you can see if the stock is going down like this or if the stock is going up like that. So that's the upward trending stock. Now, with the economy taking a dive this year, pretty much every stock did a downward turn in the past 6 months. But in the past 30 days, we're kind of entering the bull market. That means the market is going up, and a lot of stocks are starting to get that upward trend. And you want to find those stocks that have an upward trend, stocks that continuously are still in a downward trend, even in this semi bull market. You want to stay away from. So just take a look at those. I guess I could. Let's see if I can see it on my phone. I usually use Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and Fidelity to trade stocks. Robinhood is probably my least favorite because they, hold stocks. They, shut down the platform when the market gets to moving too much. They have a lot of funny stuff. I usually only trade crypto on Robinhood, but I'm just going to show you, see if you guys can see my screen. And yeah, you can kind of, sort of. So let's look at one today. Let's look at NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVDA. So there's NVIDIA. So I'm scanned out for one day. So that's what it's at for the day. It's up $4 from yesterday. This is what it is for the week. You can see the price is at $415. And you just kind of see it's on an upward trend. That's on a downward trend over the past week, but over the month it's on the upward trend. You see it's green, it's going up. I know it's kind of inverted, but it is it's going up. But I usually go out for a whole year. As you can see, I'm at the 1 year mark right there. This the chart. I'm looking at this for a whole year. And you can see it's going, even though it's inverted, probably on your screen, it's actually going up. So these are the type of stocks I like, the ones that are going up, and I never buy at the high. So right now, Nvidia is at a 52-week high, pretty much. Apple is as well. Let me see what is that 52-week high is for Nvidia. For over the 12. So yeah, so the high was at 438. It's at 415 right now. So it did a slight pullback, but this time last year it was at $150. So imagine if you bought, you spent $1,000 on a couple of shares of that, you'll be up almost over 300% right now. So you notice these little pullbacks right here. This is where we at now. So that pullback right there was a good time to buy. Then it went back up and it pulled back down again. So right now is probably another good time to buy Nvidia. I do not see Nvidia going back down to these levels unless a big market correction or big something happens in the economy, which it could happen, but it's more likely probably only going to dip down to this next level right there where that little notch is right there. So that's the next point. So if it goes down to that point, that's where I want to buy at the $4 mark. I like Nvidia at $4. At $400. And then I can buy up from there. Now, you do not, if you starting off, I suggest people start off with like a $500 in their account. If you're going to do swing trading, you can start with even less. If you're going to do options trading, you can build up an account for $200. I'm building up an account right now from $200 all the way to $500. I'm going to show you that tomorrow, or maybe at the end of the day, I might do another video where I can actually show charts and everything. But this is the first time trying this YouTube live software, and I do not like it at all. So this will be the last time using this, guys. But just going to come on here and show you, some of the things I'm looking at, some of the things that's, goes across my mind when I start my trading day. And, boss up, man. We learning new skills, new income. This is something you can do passively. You can read the charts at night, set your trades up. You can set limit trades to when the market opens, it buys at that certain price. So for that Nvidia stock, I can set my limits to buy at $4. So I can go out, I can do my driving, I can do my courier, do your regular day job. And then when your price hits that level, it'll automatically buy. And you can set it to when it goes back up to 415 to 430, the 52-week high. You can sell it then. So that's my swing trade. I'm going to get into more details as we go through this journey with me. But let's boss up. Let's learn different avenues of income. Stock investing is not for the super wealthy. It's just regular people like me and you, what we call retail investors, can make a lot of money, or just make steady little side income. I try to make $50 to $100 a day just doing this for about an hour a day. So it's easy. Some days I lose money, some days I make a lot of money, but it's time to stay consistent. Win more than you lose is the name of the game. So hop on this journey with me. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you like more of this content, then definitely comment below. If it's something you don't want to see, just say, man, get back to driving, K. And I just keep stopping them driving and courier videos. All right. Until next time, we out.